Let's face it, carting a vacuum cleaner around the house really sucks. But vacuuming your house doesn't have to be an uphill battle. The latest technology means that your vacuum cleaner can be on standby wherever you are in your home. With discrete inlets positioned throughout the house, you can worry about more important things than hauling your vacuum cleaner around with you. Instead, all you need to do is connect a lightweight pipe to an inlet, and pretty soon, vacuuming is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Your average cleaning appliance just isn't made to reach the nooks and crannies of a home. But with a flexible nozzle, you're able to go where no vacuum cleaner has gone before. The pipe can also be extended, so you're able to reach even the most hard-to-clean areas with a minimum of fuss. And when you don't have time to mess around in the kitchen, you can simply sweep your dirt into a convenient vacuum duct. You can even give dirt in your car the boot, thanks to inlets in the garage and a pipe that could reach just about anywhere. The vacuum cleaner of the 21st century is also as healthy as it's convenient. Instead of recirculating dust into the home, the system processes waste through a cyclonic cone and filter and redirects it to a dirt receptacle hidden away in the garage. The system only needs to be cleaned out 2 or 3 times a year, so it's low maintenance and hassle-free. This new breed of vacuum cleaner also comes with a range of applications, so you can clean anything from carpets to marble and tile floors. So say hello to a lean, mean cleaning machine and bid farewell to playing cat and mouse with dirt.